The clone stamp tool is best when you want to copy an exact part of an image to another area. It copies the pixels exactly, making it useful for removing objects, fixing backgrounds with clear patterns, or copying detailed textures. To use it, select the clone stamp tool, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, and click an area you want to sample. Then paint over the area you want to fix. The healing brush tool, on the other hand, is better for removing small imperfections while blending the copied pixels with the surrounding area. It is useful for fixing small marks, spots, wrinkles, or minor blemishes. Just select the healing brush tool, hold Alt or Option, and click to sample a clean area. Then paint over the problem area. In simple terms, use Clone Stamp when you need an exact copy of pixels and full control, and use Healing Brush when you want Photoshop to automatically blend the repaired area with its surroundings.